Hello, this is Dr. Kulback at K2 Restorative Med Spa, and I have a very handsome young gentleman here who's having thinning of hair, and he wants us to get under control before he loses too much hair. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do Platelet Rich Plasma injections. I have drawn blood from his arm. I have concentrated his platelets. I am now going to activate those platelets and make a fibrin matrix out of them. And this is a miracle product. It's extremely powerful. It's tremendously healing. Works very well for hair loss as long as you have hair follicles. And so I'm going to take this and I'm going to inject this into the areas where he has hair loss. I have numbed his scalp. We've done a block. Also, I'm giving him nitrous just to make this more comfortable for him. The Platelet Rich Plasma does sting a little bit as it goes in. I tell my patients that's sort of like the miracle starting to happen. For people who are not candidates for hair transplant or do not want to go through the time and expense of that, this is an option for them. And so I'm just going to, okay?
Yep.
All right, okay, so we're just going to start here and we're going to inject some. And we just go along where he has hair loss and inject this. And if we do this right, and I work really hard to do that, this isn't extremely uncomfortable. And then we just kind of massage that in, and then we'll do another syringe. And I have about 4 to 5 syringes that I will do this with. How was that?
That's fine.
Anyway, this is a great option. We do this once a month for 4 months. And I have vitamin supplements that I put you on, and then we do it once every 3 months for a year. We get very good results with this. If you have hair loss or hair thinning and would like to have treatment, I would recommend, if possible, you come in as early as possible so you still have hair follicles that we can get to grow. We'd be very happy to see you at K2 Restorative Med Spa. Our phone number is 205-255-1232. We'd be very happy to see you.